Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. Well, as you can see, yesterday on the euro currency, on the Great British Pound, it was significant action in the morning. So mostly it was driven by the difficulties in the Brexit agreement. Later, it was some recover, but it was not strong enough as it could be. Mostly it was driven by the new throw of the information about the stimulus. So the Nancy Pelosi has started its endless fairy tale about discussion of the stimulus in the Congress, that it has the progress and so on. And in general, markets widely expect that today on this week, Congress will be voting concerning the new stimulus pack. The situation stands so that the stimulus pack probably will be below the market expectation. Hardly it will be very significant. Still, the expectation of the stimulus is really high. So investors are waiting for this stimulus, especially concerning the gold market. There was a significant upward action based on the stimulus. But at the same time, currently, guys, for euro currency, you can see by the reaction, these news were not really dominating on the market. And currently, as the Great British Pound, as euro currency stands mostly aimed on the result of the Brexit. In the first moment, second moment, euro stands focused on the European Central Bank meeting. That will be 10th of the December this week. That explains why the overall reaction of the news from the United States was not very significant. It means that we keep mostly the same trading plan that we have suggested. If you remember, on the weekend we said that we expect to see some pullback by some moments that we see on the market. So it's daily overbought, reaching of this 127 extension, and what's more important is that forming the tweezer top. Usually it becomes the background for a minor pullback. The first support area that we discussed already has been reached. So we'll take a look at the follow time frame chart. That's the 28 area, is the first fib level that we discussed. And we said, let's keep watching. Either it will be the half of the harmonic swing by the 128, or it will be deeper ABCD retracement, maybe we're reaching 20-30 areas, confidence support retracing on the previous top, and completion of the whole harmonic swing. So currently, by following the idea of this limited reaction on the stimulus news and strong focus on the events that stand around the Brexit and European Central Bank meeting, we do not exclude chance that market indeed could show another leg down here. It's a bit deeper retracement, but as we always talk about the position taking, we said consider scale in, split your position, because we might be wrong. Some news could be released or something of that sort, and market could start upward action immediately. This also could happen. So if you have taken some position right at 2080, that's a good idea. So, for example, 30% of your trading pack, if you're trading the single lot on the Forex, you could take the 3 decimals on this level, and the half and 70% of the position right at the completion of the harmonic swing. Because that's our suggestion, and currently it stands so that indeed we could get some ABCD patching down. But who knows? We might be wrong. With the having overall bullish context, and sooner or later the upward action should be reestablished, in current circumstances it makes sense to split the position and use the scale in on the major two levels. Speaking on target, it mostly stands the same as we said. It will be around 2260 first. It's XOP target on the daily chart, 2260, 2264. So on hourly chart, take a look what we have. Potentially we could get this ABCD pattern. OP stands right here, 2067. The final part of this pattern also could take the shape of the butterfly. I'm not sure this definitely will be, but who knows. In this case, we have the two extensions. First one 2054, 1618, then 2024. All these targets stands very close to confluence support around 2030. It's right here. Some stands slightly higher, some stands right around it, but mostly let's create the overall support cluster this market could reach. So if you intend to take the position around the confluence, so start thinking about the position open somewhere around 2060 as close as we come to the OP. Of course, we do not want to get straightforward nasty black candle. In this case, do not take the position, wait and see what will happen. Here is also we could keep an eye on possible reversal candle on the hourly chart. If it will be formed, so market close below also this candle, it might become the first sign of the downward continuation. So market could start downward action right from here. If again we will see the nasty candle right down, and if you have taken position at 2080, here wait when the market hits the either move stops to the break even that you could do here currently, or wait when the market will hit confluence support, show the bounce. In this case, you will be able to close and the pullback. But that is only in case if we will get just collapse on the euro currency, strong downward action with a single candle, massive acceleration. That stands not in the over idea of the retracement. Retracement should be relatively gradual. This is exceptional scenario. Currently, everything stands good, so we do not see any thrusting action to the downside. Mostly stands choppy with a deep retracement on the stimulus expectations you can see here on the euro. So just keep watching for the next levels, and we think that currently everything stands without any problems. So either from here right now for our prediction, or market will complete this level, but with these two levels, market probably after that should reestablish our prediction, tending to our daily target.